Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your Capital One account to another bank. Whether you're moving funds for a big purchase, paying off a loan, or just managing your finances better, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Capital One online banking account. If you haven't set this up yet, head to the Capital One website or app and create your login credentials. Once you're in, look for the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Next, to send money to another bank, you have to add that external account. Click on Add External Account and enter the bank's routing number and your account number. Double-check these details because accuracy is key to avoid any hiccups. Capital One will then verify this account, often by sending 2 small test deposits, think of them as digital high fives, to your external bank. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once the verification is complete, you're ready to make the transfer. Go back to the Transfers section, select the external account as the destination, enter the amount you want to move, and choose when you want it to happen. Hit Confirm, and review everything one last time to ensure it's correct. Now, here's a quick tip. Transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead. Also, keep an eye out for any fees. Capital One might charge for outgoing transfers, and your other bank could have incoming fees too. Always check the fine print. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from Capital One to another bank. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it puts you in control of your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money management tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.